Hey everyone, we are in the middle of giving our bathroom a little makeover, and I am going to do a topper for this window. This is the material that we picked up at Hobby Lobby, and it's just a nice, simple, neutral design. It's a speckle kind of a print. We got 2 yards of it, and that is going to be enough to do the bathroom valance, and I'll also have left over to do kitchen valances. But first, let's start off by ironing the material. We'll get rid of some of these fold lines, and then it'll be nice and flat for us to cut the material. I have the curtain turned to the opposite side, and we'll just give it a quick iron. First thing that I'll do is cut off the selvage. We're going to cut the fabric to size now. It's going to be a length of 20.5 inches and a width of 44 inches, and that will allow for the pocket and the hems. This is the side of the curtain. So what we'll do is fold in the edge of the material 1/4 inch, and then press it flat with an iron, and then fold it in again 1/4 inch, press it flat with an iron, and we'll be ready to sew it. And you'll want to do the same to the opposite side as well. All right, this side is pressed flat, and now I'll do the same to the other side, and then we'll be ready to sew it. Okay, now as you can see, the edge was folded over once, then twice, and now we're ready to sew the edge down. Now we're going to sew the opposite side. Now we'll do the exact same thing to the top and bottom hems. So we'll fold it over 1/4 inch, press it flat, then fold it over again 1/4 inch, press it flat, and then we'll sew. Okay, now that the top and bottom hems have been folded over twice and pressed, we are going to sew them. Now it's time to make the pocket for the rod, and I've already folded the material down 2 3/4 inches using this seam gauge. It makes it really easy to find whatever mark you want. And now all there is to do is press this down and sew it. There's the finished topper. It's a super easy project to do if you're just getting involved with sewing. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.